हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द सीरीज ऑफ क्लिनिकल साइन। आज का जो साइन है वह मैक बर्नी पॉइंट टेंडरनेस। मैक बर्नी पॉइंट टेंडरनेस सीन इन द केसेस ऑफ एक्यूट अपेंडिसाइटिस। इट इज़ अ लोकेशन वेयर द पेशेंट फील मैक्सिमम पेन। इट इज़ प्रेजेंट line joining from the umbilicus to anterior superior iliac spine, 2/3 from the umbilicus and 1/3 part from the anterior superior iliac spine. Mechanism behind this sign is in the acute appendicitis, the appendix become inflamed. This inflammation irritate the parietal peritoneum, and the parietal peritoneum has somatic nerve supply. Pain becomes sharp and well localized. Therefore, the maximum tenderness is felt at McBurney point. The second sign which is positive in the case of acute appendicitis is Rosing sign. Rosing sign, how can we examine this sign? When we palpate the left lower quadrant of the abdomen, the patient feel pain in the right lower quadrant. Mechanism behind this sign positive is pressure applied to the left lower abdomen causes movement of gas and content in the colon toward the right side. In Yes Das written, the coils of the ileum moves toward the right side so that patient feel pain in the right side. These lead to the stretching of the inflamed peritoneum around the appendix. Result, pain is felt in the right lower abdomen. What is rebound tenderness? Rebound tenderness, when we palpate the right lower quadrant of the patient, slowly and sudden we lift our hand. This is patient feel intense pain and cry. Why this is? Which is because due to the inflamed, the patient immediately cry out, at least being in pain. This is due to the fact that the parietal peritoneum which has already have been inflamed due to the presence of underlying inflamed organ, also springs back along with the abdominal muscles. And Rosing signs, as we see the left lower quadrant being palpated, the patient feel in the right lower quadrant pain due to the adherent and move of the abdominal content toward the right lower quadrant and nerve irritates. Thank you.